So this is Arlene. I'm at the San Gabriel Basin going for my jog. So part of it I walk backwards, but I also do it because I gotta loosen all the phlegm in my chest. So I do that. It is a nice place, but don't be fooled by these power lines because you do get targeted from them. And then there's a few Wi-Fi towers that look like palm trees, but they're really not. I don't think there's any coming up. I think I passed them all. But anyways, that's what happens. But after you clear your lungs, it's better. It's not like you have like a real hard time breathing and stuff. So down there are some perps. The one way in the back, that lady should have been long gone. So they'll come and they'll ride their bikes and do a U-turn. I guess to confirm that I'm here. So anyways, oh, look at the geese here. That's pretty. That's what makes it so nice coming here to work out. You get to see a lot of different types of birds and stuff. Oh, there's the Wi-Fi tower. Yeah, I get targeted from that. Okay, well, I don't think I need to keep coffee. That it just happened. Happens. Okay, well, I don't want to gross you out anymore. But it is the reality, so it is what it is. Bye.